Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wishful Account, chapter 26. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Chuyi and seeing you. It's okay. I have a flashlight. I have it too. Just have a cell phone. Teachers, don't be excited. This fire is not for use for lighting but also participates in the cooking link of dinner. So that's the reason. But the tent that you sleep in tonight also need to be built by yourself. Come on, the director said to them. After explaining the supplies total of 5 chickens and 3 folding tents, all place here. Teacher can arrange them as they please. The director said, Chewie, director, wait a minute. How does we set up the tent? Please teach me. There's a manual. Each group can only set up their own tents and it's forbidden to help each other. I'll try it too. I shouldn't be difficult. Chang Chang, you know, I've never been good at this kind. Chewie, are you okay? Is this too complicated? Let me set up the tent. No, this kind of thing is more efficient if it's done. An experienced person. Well, it seems that she know how to set up. But looking at Chewie, it seems that there's a problem. At this moment, she was staring at the phone. Now, Sinyu, she was calling her. What's wrong? Well, Chewie, she was still thinking about this. It seems that the place, it's really getting dark. And also, it seems that she really wanted to call for someone. But at this moment, it seems that her hand is shaking. Probably she wants to know how to set this up and also, how are you? Senius said to her just now. It seems that she's really having difficulty to set up the tent. Still, it was not been placed. It's nothing. Just told me to recruit a new secretary. Really? Of course, it's true. So, it means that she was asking someone, forget the secretary, just watch me to set up the tent. Well, look at her. She seems to be fast, but at this moment, it seems that she really made it fast. Well, Sinew, look at her. She looks really happy about this. Well, maybe you don't believe it, but I learned how to set up a tent when I was in a tent as tall as the tent itself. Well, she was really perfect at this. This not too fast, New, and the others still studying the instruction. First step. It seems that the other team is really having difficulty. Let's go collect the firewood first. They will probably have to build it by the time we came back. Then, let's go. Senius said to Chewie. Now, it's really getting darker on the place. Look at them. They've been searching on the woods. Well, let's hope they really can get a lot of fireworks. Well, it seems that he really get one this time. Chewie, she was picking it up. Well, for Chewie, she thinks that she ordered enough to pick up. Well, she was really happy about this. Well, let's see. Original intention, or she was calling Sinyu. It's getting dark. We should go back. Well, Sinyu said it's good. Finally, she's been holding back the fireworks and Sinyu. She was looking at hers. Dear teacher, the mountain road is rugged. Please pay attention to your feet. But look at her silently. Chiyu, she got slip away. It seems that there's a trough. Look at her, she was screaming. Now, it really makes sense. She was falling on the trough. Someone must really help her. But Sinyu, seeing her, of course, she dashed through, and now she wanted to grab her hands. Looking at Chuyi, Sinyu, she was screaming, and suddenly she grabbed her hands tightly. Could it be that she can really save her from this? Well, let's really hope that. Seems that it was too late. The two of them right now, they're going to fall on the feet. Well, Sinyu and Chiyu are still holding each other tightly. The director said, Teacher Shen, Teacher Shan, are you alright? Now, Chuyi and Sinyu. There is. It seems that it has fallen into hunting trap set by the locals. Fortunately, it was just an ordinary dirt pit and there was nothing underneath. Well, calling the front desk, something happened to Teacher Shen. Hello, hello. But it seems that the crew, right now, they really cannot be reached. It seems that the place are dead spot and they need to go back. Teacher Shen, the signal here is not good. Please, wait for me. I will go back and call someone to rescue you. Senior said good, but Chuyi, it seems that she was really into something. It seems to be painful, and she was holding her tie. Why is there no signal? If the production crew doesn't come, I'll just call the helicopter to get us out. This is not necessary. Senior said to her, sit down on some of that hay and get comfortable. Well, thank you, Yu. Chuyi said to Senior. Now, actually, I was just joking. Now, I'm not that exaggerated. As an adult, I only use helicopter twice. I know. Oh, it seems that she really know her story. You done a good job on your homework. Well, she seems to be known too much. Another time, I don't know why. You can find the remaining one on the internet. It was used for the investigations of the four villages that they helped on behalf of my grandfather. It was raining heavily at the time and we have to stop and start along the way. I was in a hurry and asked them to start the car. So, how's your inspection? Not great. It's difficult for children in poor village to go in school, so it set up a scholarship fund. Adults don't let girls go to school. Well, they've been afraid. After the inspection, I set up special fund for the girls. It was later discovered that the money has been misappropriated. By their parents and even sanitary napkins are taken away. How did this happen? What happened next? No more money was given and no food or drinks were allowed to be taken home from the school. The sanitary napkins are kept by the teacher and you can use them one by one, but there are still too many people taking advantage of loopholes. My previous understanding of poverty was too one-sided and superficial, and I was completely powerless on face of it. So it turns out Chuyi, she was really a great person. She can really even think of others other than hers. Chuyi, right now, Chuyi. She seems to be exhausted. I only knew how to donate money and supplies before, but I never considered whether it could really reach the hands of those who needs. Certainly not the script. The script wouldn't have the heroine falling into the dirt pit so ungracefully. Curious said to sing you. Well, let's see. If you were heroine in the script, I could now play you for the fullest. I'm so easily guessed. Now it makes sense. After a while, the two of them are calming down. I had a teacher who said if you want to play a role, well, you should not analyze it from the outsider perspective. But it seems that, such as now, it seems that she has a different perception and now she can only see Chui on the other side of her eyes. I look at Shan Chui through his eyes. It seems that she was seeing something different from this. Well, let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thank you for joining membership today. Daphne Papico. Thank you for joining. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!